Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks, and I made a couple of, 4 videos on this diamond shape, and I just made one with step and repeat. And I was just kind of curious if you could make a macro for the step and repeat to work, and I actually did. It's Control on my keyboard is Shift 3, and look at that, I made that many diamond plates with just 2 strokes, or really 1 keystroke, but two-fingered keystroke. And how I did that was I just went to Tools, Scripts, yours might say macros in older version, start recording, and we're just gonna call this one M for move. As soon as you press OK, you're recording. I would go ahead and open up the Docker for step and repeat. I'm gonna step it to 3 with 0 and hit 30 copies. I'm gonna Control G to group it together. I'm gonna go here and go 1.5 to the right and 0.5 to the top, and it made that many diamonds. Now we can stop the script. And there's no hurry on doing this. It's as long as you don't do anything, you're okay. So let's get back to where we were. Let's go to Tools, Scripts or Macros, and there's our M. And I'm just going to double click on it, and it drew my diamonds. Now, if I want to assign it a keyboard stroke, while you're on that macro, just right click, assign a keyboard stroke. That one you're on is highlighted. We're going to assign it a new one. We're going to make it Shift 1. It don't matter. It doesn't matter because I'm not going to use it. Hit assign and then OK. And then when we have that one item selected, we can go Shift 1 and it draws those patterns. And I'm trying to figure out if there's a way in that macro to use any size shape that's like that and have, Corel divide them to get that, because all we're doing is using the total or the of the item. Now, if you watch the other videos, and please do, this is where you would, make them look like 3D. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.